Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna do maintenance on the car, replacing the oil filter, air filter. Once we already replace all the entire front, and let me tell you, if you are new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe. We are basically restoring a Volkswagen 6N2, trying to bring it back to the life. Once he had in the past an accident and damage all entire front. So take a look to my other videos and you will understand, of course. Let's start working now on the maintenance. I have 100% synthetic oil. I truly recommend that you use always, of course, when you can, synthetic oil. So we have the oil, new oil filter, we have a sealing plug because I don't know how the old one is, and two air filters because this car used two. So let's start by replacing this, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget the thumbs up, and if you are not a subscribe, please just subscribe. After you change your engine oil, you can check the level on next day, for example, if it's okay or if you need to complete. Now let's replace the air filters. So guys, that's all for today. I hope this video can help you. Don't forget to thumbs up, watch my other videos. We are restoring this Volkswagen Polo 6N2. So if it helped you, if you enjoyed, click the thumbs up and see you soon. Stay tuned.